James William Jimi Heselden OBE was a British entrepreneur. A former coal miner, Heselden became wealthy by manufacturing the Hesco bastion barrier system. In 2010, he bought Segway Inc, maker of the Segway personal transport system. Heselden died in 2010 from injuries apparently sustained falling from a cliff while riding his own product. His estate, bequeathed to his widow and family, was worth over £340 million, and he was ranked in the top 400 members of the Sunday Times Rich list. Heselden grew up in the Halton Moor district of Leeds, West Yorkshire, England. At the age of 15, Heselden left Osmonthorpe Secondary Modern School to work as a labourer and then at collieries in Temple Newsome and Lofthouse. He lost his job in the wave of redundancies that followed the 1984-85 miners' strike and spent his redundancy money on renting a workshop and, at first, setting up a sandblasting business. He then worked on developing and patenting a collapsible wire mesh and fabric container, now called Hesco bastion, to be used for building flood management and to limit erosion. In 1989, Heselden founded Hesco Bastion Limited to manufacture containers of the same name, filled with sand or earth. They quickly found favor with the armies of several countries as they allowed effective blast walls, barriers and revetments to be quickly constructed. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.